Female reign in male domain. I should feel lucky for being a man, but then again, aren't we all in the same drain of power which drives us insane? Give me a couple of minutes to explain my complaint and I'll try to entertain your brain, but the message will remain. Yep. It's 21st century, we're free from the domain of the Inquisition of Spain. We like to brag about the equality and how much more we're humane. However, on the first step these words might prove to be wasted in vain. I'll take the example of Croatia. My own backyard, I shall reign. Feminism.
Woohoo! That nasty word invoking my grain. What do they want? Goddamn! They're starting me on the scene. We're treating them almost as if they were men, almost the same, and yet the ungrateful like hurricane they squirt their bane.
Do you know that 20% of my government is running female fane? Wow, that almost sounds equal if you ignore mathematical ascertain. But hey, let's obtain happy name, smoke some henbane, open champagne. We're still better than that EU Parliament's Polish lame brain. I live in Zagreb, the capital of Croatia, our center of urbane, and yet we hold under 2% of streets with female personal name. 3 squares named after women, which I had to Google Earth in my own terrain. Well, that's kinda marginal. I had to eye strain. There are a lot of reasons causing injustice, but stupidity just might be the main. Women are considered successful for finding a rich old jerk for material obtain. Kill their self-confidence with children literature, great to ingrain the idea of Prince Charming, the only rescue in this mundane. So please excuse me if you find my language profane, but if you're a person born with vagina, well, you might have to restrain. Human rights, woohoo! We have achieved a ban for human to be kept in chain. Holy shit! I think my excitement I will detain. No, please, Tremens, don't go on the abortion social stain. Don't touch the membrane of Pandora's box, there's too much pain. The God, only the God gave the preordained. Will decide for everyone else's life, since Abel and Cain. Finally, let me end my speech with conclusion to be underlined. If you get a daughter in your life, well, don't slice the vein. You have to ascertain. Politically correct bullshit is just a fake appertain to we love to dominate. Adversaries are to be slain.